Scott Schiffler. It's a 140-inch wheelbase JMS chassis down. Small block Chevrolet. Cafeteria side finished up first with a 989 and a 4 at 100. It'll be the Tin Man of Scott Schiffler with an 895 and a 957 miles an hour. Followed by the Lady King with a 932, 142, 136. Now with Gerald Arnold. Gerald throwing 25 drivers in and over. Wheelbase small block Chevrolet. Gerald Arnold, good lap at 874 and 5 at 149 miles an hour. That's a blast from the past over Struggles Mechanical. Finishing up with a 717, 100. Full stroke small block, 388 inches. You saw just before they left, he rolled approaches to the same end result. Little short car and a big long car. Schlegel the long car. John Bartos into the blue.
Cafeteria side of the racetrack, that is Scott Schiffler. Getting some help from his crew chief, Pat Buck. That's 140-inch wheelbase Rudy Gilmore chassis injected, small block Chevrolet. The team man with a 9 Platinum 6 at 155 miles an hour. Wade hitting a 936. The accelerator will go stage up and rock and roll. Jim Rookie wheels off the ground. All right, good. 799. How about that?
There are about 14 other swings left. That's what Southern people got. Covering the entire year to go, so all the road. You got it right. 878, 160 miles an hour. When you get to the top of 9.9, at 136 miles an hour, still 11 degrees. All right, here's the But it's not happening. Who get there first? Who's out there?